Hi guys, it's Nakia and I'm back with another video. So basically this video is because the SBA just announced that they are now letting you do the PPP forgiveness through their portal, which is amazing because lately I had a couple of clients that were doing the forgiveness through the lenders, and the lenders were requiring a lot of information that I believe shouldn't even be asked. So for instance, a client of mine's got the PPP 1, which does not require a 25 to 30% loss in revenue. That's what the PPP 2, and they were wanting her to show proof. So I just feel like the lenders they have people working in the system that don't know what they're doing some of the time. And having the SBA be able to look through your forgiveness and they approve you and then send it to the lender and things of that nature will make it so much more simpler. So I'm gonna share this with you. So August 4th, guys, save the date. SBA is launching a streamlined application portal to allow business owners with less than $150,000 PPP loan be able to use this portal. So if you got more than $150,000, you will not be able to use this portal. You will have to use the easy form and go through your lender that approved you for it. But most of my clients are within the less, so this is for you. Now, the benefits of this portal. It will simplify the forgiveness for millions of our small business daycares. This new change will help rush the relief of over 6.5 million business owners that is sitting there right now waiting to see if they're gonna get forgiveness. Another thing is that they have 60 days of when you submit the forgiveness for them to give you an approval or a denial. You shouldn't be waiting more than 60 days, guys. This incentive will allow PPP borrowers to become more focused on their business rather than this loan. So that's the goal of them doing this right now. So you don't qualify. All right, let's rewind. Your lender must have to opt in to use this portal. So what the SBA is doing is that they are telling all lenders, hey, apply for this through them. They have to sign in and let them be able to take over their clientele. So what you're gonna do is that once you see if your bank is one of the lenders that opt in through the SBA, then you'll be able to, I'm gonna post the link down, or not now actually, because I'm gonna have to post it on August 4th because obviously they're not giving the link right now. But on August 4th, you go through the link, you apply for the forgiveness, then they send it to your lender. Your lender's gonna give the yay or nay. Then if it's yes, send it to the SBA. SBA gives it the yes or no, most likely yes. And then from there, you should be forgiven. So it's gonna be much easier and much simpler to understand and do. I'm also gonna post below this video the guideline of how to do it yourself, how to apply for the PPP forgiveness yourself in depth. Now, I know us as business owners, we don't have time to read this. I'm huge with just paying someone and go do it for me if I don't have the time for that, if it's something that I'm not, used to doing. So we do that for you guys. We obviously offer forgiveness assistance, and we will help you with that. But if you don't need the assistance, I also will provide the link down below that you could do it yourself, step by step. Okay, guys? Let's first review the terms of using your PPP loan. Everyone should know this by now, but if you don't, payroll, mortgage interest, rent, utilities, operation expenditures such as software, cloud computing, or other human resources and accounting needs, property damage costs, during the time that there was riots during the 2020, and there was riots, if anything happened to your business because of that, you can use it for that, insurance and PPE wear. So we already know that that's what we will have to use it on. But my small daycare owners, that you are the only employee, you could use 100% on yourself. You don't have to use payroll and pay anyone else. Use 100% on yourself. And then once you pay yourself, you could obviously pay rent, do everything else, so forth. But if you just show that, hey, I used 100% on myself, I pay myself, easy forgiveness. All right, so let's see. Now, people that have round 2, you have to show at least 30% loss 2019 versus 2020. You have to show a loss in revenue in order for it to be forgiven. Now, what you could provide for proof is tax forms, quarterly financial statements, and bank statements, right? The big change now that they're doing is that they're allowing something called the COVID score method. So they're gonna use, lenders are gonna use this. They're gonna use your DUNS number. For those of you that follow me, you guys know DUNS number is for your business credit as well. So very important. So I'm surprised that they're even bringing up that it's gonna be based on your DUNS number, and they're gonna go and try to figure it out, but it's gonna simplify it for them. I don't know how they do that. The lenders are gonna do that. So that's gonna be another alternative way to see if you qualify for the approval, the forgiveness, things of that nature. Now, what else I have here? If you need assistance, the number that they want you to use just for the forgiveness will be 1-877-552-2692. I'm gonna post it down below as well. And if you, like I said, doing the forgiveness by yourself and you need assistance, they actually on call too, and you could speak to someone and they'll help you with that. So guys, that's basically it. I just wanted to share that information with you guys, letting you guys know that it will get simpler. There's some questions that people has been asking me, and I'm gonna go through that real quick, actually real fast. Will the PPP loan affect my taxes? No. It will not affect your taxes. You do not count that as income in your business. So that, you don't have to worry about that next year. Another thing that they asked, the weeks when you can file for forgiveness, it's 8-week period to 24 weeks. You can file for forgiveness, minimum 8 weeks to 24 weeks, guys. There's another one. Can I get PPP expenses forgiven and deducted them from my taxes? Yes, any expenses covered by the PPP loan are still tax deductible, which is awesome. So you don't claim it as income, but you could use it as tax deductible what you used it on. All right. What was another question? How long do I need to keep my supporting documents? You must retain your documents for, I say, 3 to 5 years. Keep it. Save it. IRS can order you 3 years back. Just save it, okay? Another one is, what form should I use? So if your loan amount is less than $150,000, you use the form 3508S. If it's more than $150,000, you are going to use the form 3508EZ, guys. Okay? So more than $150,000. Easy, less 3508S. Okay, guys? Hold on. One more great question. What happens if I'm not approved for forgiveness? Your lender may allow you to provide additional documentations for a reconsideration. So that's a good thing. They will reevaluate it for you. Otherwise, your outstanding balance will continue to occur interest rate at 1% for the remainder of the 2 to 5 year period. There is no pre-penalties. You can pay off the outstanding balance at any time with no additional fees. So it does become a loan of 1% interest, which is not bad, but the goal is to get it fully forgiven. We do not want a loan when in reality, we all applied for it because we thought it was gonna just get forgiven. So that's all I have for you guys. Definitely August 4th is the day that this portal is launched. As you already know, when it comes to the SBA and things like that, it takes a long time to get things to process. So the sooner the better. If you're one of the first ones on August 4th, you guys, within 60 days, you'll hear something and just get forgiven. That's the goal. Once again, I'm Nakia. We are here for you to help you. Brainiac Enterprises here. Our number is down below. Let me know if you need any of our assistance, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.